What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. And I've already checked my teeth. I don't have anything stuck in my teeth. I was editing today's video, and I was like, oh man, I had another. I don't think it was a poppy seed. I think we had some spinach. I don't know what it was, but sorry about that. I do apologize. Kathy didn't notice, didn't tell me, but today I noticed and told her she's got a little bit of a wet spot on your shirt that you didn't know that you had. So we're a mess this week.
I was like, oh, I'll go to the gym, take a shower, look presentable for once, and of course, I was drinking a Diet Coke.
Yeah, it's probably what it is.
Probably just like residue. Hopefully it doesn't stain because we're meeting some friends after to go bowling.
I'm so ready for this fall break to be over.
Okay. Well, I did sell a few things. First up, these Adidas. These are like a Crayola, what is that, like one collaboration, I guess.
Okay.
With Adidas. I don't know if it's Crayola, whatever you want to say it as. She was bought for $736 at Once Upon a Child. That was like with tax and everything. And they sat a while, so they sold for $19.97 plus shipping on eBay. So probably about around a $10 profit there.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
The real question is it crayon or crayon?
Crayon. Oh, ask Cyrus. He was trying to tell me. Our little 6-year-old is so cute. He was trying to tell me. Which it was actually, I was like, I didn't know that. He was looking at his car seat. It's the D-I-O-N-O, so I don't know if it's Diono or Diono, but he was like, Mom, if the I... What did he say? Something about the letter says its name or something.
I don't remember, but I was impressed.
I know. So, he said if there's like 2 vowels in a row, the first letter says its name, which would be I, right? So die.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Oh, so it must be die. Oh, no. I don't know. That's how I was taking what he was telling me. But I was like, did I learn this in school? I don't remember. Right. He's only 6 years old, so.
All I know is the I before E except after C.
That's what we learned.
But actually, that rule is wrong 70% of the time.
That's what I was thinking, too. So, anyways.
Yeah. Hey, this is a reselling video. What are we talking about?
C-R-A-Y, because you were saying Crayola or crayon.
Crayon. I think it's crayon.
Oh, well, there's no 2 vowels in a row. So that rule doesn't work for that case.
Oh, why? Is Y not a vowel? C-R-A-Y?
Why? Oh, not really. I mean. Anyways, I saw these Nike Free Runs. These are actually my personal shoes. If you've been watching our channel a while, we did a bins haul a while back where I actually found these in my bins haul because apparently they were like lost in my car, which my bins haul sat for like a couple weeks. Once I found them, I had already like ordered another set, so I just like that color better. So I relisted those. I actually bought these off eBay from actually ATL Flippers. So
nice.
For $45 with free shipping. I did wear them plenty, and then I sold them for $35 plus shipping, so making back around $30 on those.
But you keep your car very clean. How did you lose them in there?
I just like leave like inventory in there often.
Sometimes, yeah. I have to show you. Look at this guy. Look how he's laying over there.
He was.
Are you comfortable?
On his bed. All right, some Shape Up. Shout out Joey. Bada bing. Got these for $9.93. Sold for $22.50 plus shipping. They did take a while. That's why only 22. I was able to sell these around 40 for a while. I do feel like the sell-through and comps are going lower on Shape Ups.
Yeah.
I've been passing a lot on them recently, so not that I'll never pick them up again, but definitely being more selective. As
costs of shoes are going up and sell prices are going down, just got to be more selective. It's funny that they sold for 22 for Joey Bada Bing.
Oh, that is funny. They actually sold global shipping too. I didn't check where, but I saw they were all in like close to $60.
Okay.
So
I'll put up here where that's going.
Sold some bogs, and these I just bought last week for $10.99. Sold for $50 plus shipping on Mercari. It's funny. So I got these, and then like a couple days later, I went to the exact same store, and then I found the exact same box boots.
Yeah, we just put those ones there.
These are size 9, and those are size 6. So I'm like, what? Like that's random, right? Like
yeah.
They had to be from the same person, but a 9 and a 6. Do you think they like bought the wrong size, like because of the? 9
I mean, I don't think they have to be from the same person.
I know. We've had this argument before too.
Yeah.
I think they do. How random that 2 of the exact same boots end up at the same Goodwill within the same week
If they were the same size,
That is so
maybe. Right?
random.
But
These aren't just like something that's just like readily available for Goodwill. What do you guys think? I don't know.
I think it's crayon.
Okay. These are some Clark's Chelsea boots. Really cute. Gold. Bought for $10.99. Sold for $36 with discount shipping on Posh. So we'll do a medium flat rate. Alright, BC, another pair of Clarks. Yeah, I wasn't picking up Clarks for a while, and I still pass on a lot of them, but there are Clarks do pretty well if it's like a cute style or like a newer model. So yeah, like Chelsea boots are kind of like, I would say, fairly popular right now, and then these are like a men's chukka boot.
Yeah.
So another just classic style that looks great for fall. I did pay $14.99 for these ones and sold them for $42 on Posh.
Where do they sell Clarks normally?
Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Like a lot of
like all the big stores?
department stores, yeah.
Yeah.
So what was I gonna do? Where did we put the regional beef? These ones? Yeah. Hopefully that's fit. Okay, box V. These are some Brooks Dyad men's sneakers. I bought these on Facebook Marketplace when they were doing a free shipping promo way back when. So they have been sitting a while, but I sold them today on Posh for $47 with discount shipping. So not too bad.
Nice.
Still like a $20 profit, and they came straight to my door. I love that. Let's do another regional B. Okay, BE. I feel like I've been in the bottom row a lot, which I feel like the bottom is probably a lot of older stuff.
Yeah, the way we basically put stuff away in the inventory is whatever. Is it in there?
No, but I feel like I might have wrote down the wrong letter.
Oh, we'll have to look in the... As you're looking for that, I'll kind of explain. So when we're putting inventory away, we kind of go for the easy to reach boxes, usually for stuff that we think is going to sell quick, which is what Kathy at least tries to source for the most part. You know, there's sometimes it doesn't really matter. We get what we can kind of get at the time. But if things are more long tail items, we'll end up putting them up further away up in the closet or up high there. Was it BE?
It says BE, but am I just missing it?
Could be buried in there.
Okay, these are them. Okay, like I saw
Right there.
Like I thought, just by looking at them like this, they look like the regular old clogs of dance go, and they're like more of a
heel clog.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Stressing me out there for a second.
To have a little bit of a panic attack. Okay. Not that we don't occasionally lose things, but like today, of course, we're running a little late and all that. So, sold some dance goes for $23.22 plus shipping. I did pay $9.99 for those.
Nice. Glad we had them.
Yeah, those sold for, or those had been listed a while, so they were in one of our % off sales. Padded flat rate. CQ.
You find another spot over here. You stay there. Can I just look at you?
So we got some Judy Blue jeans. These actually sold to our viewer Danielle last night while we were doing our live show.
Right.
And yeah, she actually, I don't think she knew we were live when she bought them, but then by the end of the show, she had popped in and said hello. So thank you again,
Awesome.
Danielle.
Either that or I was really behind in the chat and she was there the whole time.
So these, I bought them for myself. I did pay $8.99 for them. I did wear them a few times, and then Danielle bought them for $39 plus shipping on Mercari. So
Awesome.
I hope you love them. She mentioned she wanted to try the brand. Yeah, I liked them a lot. So hope you do as well.
Yeah. Danielle, thank you so much for that support. We appreciate it.
I might put them in a box, and yeah.
Okay, so you'll decide later.
Yes, so I gotta figure out what box. Okay. BB New Balance. We're gonna move out a few old pairs today. So this pair, I did pay $6.99, just a basic New Balance men's walking shoe. Sold for $18.88 plus shipping, so not great, but glad to move it. Those are going in a shoebox. Why can't one of you three be a shoebox?
I don't want him to think I'm talking to him, but he's using my chair leg as a pillow. He's such a weird dog. Is that the last thing?
That's the last thing.
Oh.
Unless something just came in. Nope.
All right, I'm going to get over here. I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared. So let's do this. All right, got them all packed up, ready to go. And yeah, we kind of cruised through those pretty quick. We did have one more sale.
Yeah, and it's actually a viewer. Angie, thank you. Actually would have had 2 more sales, but one person's payment declined or whatever on Mercari, which was
payment issue.
Like the twice today, so I'm a little salty about it.
But we're super excited about this.
Yeah. So this sold to Angie, some Crocs for $25 plus shipping. I did buy them for $9.99. So
awesome.
Thank you so much, Angie.
Angie, thank you. Reese, can you say thank you, Angie?
We're gonna do a mailer.
He probably knows that we're going somewhere. We're gonna be going bowling with some friends tonight. Let the kids hang out with their friends. But Angie, thank you so much for that support. We did have a couple questions that I wanted to bring up. I've got them here on my screen, and I'll read them to Kathy. So first question is from Tina. Where do you get your cellophane bags that you use for your storage? I only say this because we do get this question probably every day.
Yeah.
And I'm very bad at like putting things on screen to show you guys. But there are links in our description.
Yep. We get them just from Amazon.
Yeah. Just Amazon links, and we use 2 sizes. Are they both sizes right there?
Yeah, these are 12 by 15. I feel like we used to have like 13 by 15.
Yeah, we kind of go back and forth based on what's in stock when we order.
Because we want to. I prefer the bigger size.
Yeah.
But yeah, sometimes they don't have it. So around 12 by 15 fits most shoes, sweaters, things like that. And then just a typical 9 by 12 would fit like a t-shirt.
Kids, shoes, stuff like that.
Even,
Kids stuff.
Yep. So that's what we use. Yeah, Amazon. The price definitely went up. They used to. I like had my whole shipping like this plus this sticker. It was like 25 cents. Now it's probably more like 40 cents.
Yep.
For the whole thing. But yeah, they're probably around 5 or so cents per plastic if you buy them in like 1,000 count, which we do. So
right. So it might sound a little pricey for shipping material, but the way we look at it is we don't really have to think about it. We get the 2 bags, and we don't have to. I
don't know. I just like the presentation of it. Keeps everything more orderly in the boxes, and I just think it looks nice.
The bags definitely make it easy to batch work out. Like if you guys remember yesterday's video, we had the pile of shoes there. I was able to bag those all up probably in an hour and a half, maybe hour.
It was less than an hour, yeah.
Kids were up here bothering me.
Listening to the podcast.
Oh yeah, we were listening to Let's Do Lunch.
We haven't finished it yet, so theirs is probably an hour and a half. So it didn't take you that long.
Okay, and we were able to put them all away, and that shortly after that. So it makes things easy to put away, easy to pull out of the boxes. We really like.
Leave good feedback often for like, oh, nice packaging.
Yeah. So simple, effective. And we think fairly inexpensive for, like a lot of people on Poshmark will wrap stuff in tissue paper, put little twine, little handmade little tags and stuff. And while that's all great, when you're selling 400 things a month or something, it can be very time consuming.
I appreciate when people do the effort.
Right.
I'm like, oh, that's nice. That feels nice to open, but I couldn't do that myself.
So we just came up with this way. It's a way to scale it up, and we are able to go pretty quick with that. Yeah. So hopefully that answers your question, Tina. Down in the description, short answer. And then we had another question from, looks like Shanda. I hope I'm saying your name right. She says, hi, do you guys use promoted listings on your postings on eBay?
Yes. I'm currently just doing 3% on everything just because 2 is the minimum, and I was like, oh, 3 is better. But then when I was on Sarah Styles Live the other day, we were talking about it, like what everybody else was doing, and what's his name, Mr. Thrifta.
Mr. Thrifta, yeah.
He said he did 2.1, which is smart. I never thought about.
Oh, you could do an increment,
I didn't know you could do point whatever. So that's smart if you want to just do more than the bare minimum, because a lot of people will just do the minimum, so you're at least a little bit above them.
Yeah.
So I just did 3 for no other reason, and I was like, oh, it's more than 2.
Right. You have to do at least 2, right?
Yeah.
2 is the minimum.
Sarah mentioned something about she's doing some. She likes to do little. What is it called? Just like like when you try to figure, like, stuff with her data. Anyways,
Okay.
so
She extrapolates her data. And,
yeah, so she's trying out, I believe she was saying, doing whatever it says that the, gosh dang it, I'm just saying a bunch of nonsense.
So what I think you're saying is...
The main, what eBay tells you to do. What is that called?
Oh,
Yeah,
auto recommended?
recommend one. And it's always different for every item. So the eBay knows, like, what that item's going to take probably more for it to sell quicker. And she said she's been experimenting with that. And it's going to do a video on it. So
awesome.
Yeah, it made me kind of like, maybe I should start trying more of those, because I'm okay taking less money if it sells quicker.
Right.
I get more money back and I can spend more money out.
Yeah.
So.
And I think it could be very different based on the category you're in. If your category is more cutthroat or like competition wise,
I noticed the recommended is usually like 5 to 7, so it's nothing super crazy. It's not like 20%. So you can give up a few. Like, most of my stuff is $30 or so sales. So that's, at a 3%, what is that? I can't do math right now. But yeah, anyways, it's not that much. I can give up $1 of a $30 sale for a 6-7% promotion.
10% would be
$3. So
yeah,
$1.50. I mean, that would be fine to me to make it sell quicker.
Yeah. Cool. So,
and if you didn't know, you don't have to pay the promotion if it doesn't sell through the promotion. So you can promote your whole store and you only pay it if it sells because of it.
Right. And it should be noted that we are talking the old version of eBay's promoted. They have this newer version where it's more of like a pay per click. We've never really done anything with that. So
yeah. So Kitizen has something similar to that, and I did it like 1 week because you had to pay. I think you had to do like $10 minimum, and I tried it, and I don't feel like I got any sales, so I was like, no.
Yeah.
Because that you paid up front, and even if you got no sales, it didn't matter. But on eBay, you would get to pay only if you get the sale, so that's cool.
Cool. So if you do want some more information, I'd say look out for Sarah Styles' video that she's coming out with experimenting with eBay's recommended. So.
And she sounds smarter than I.
She does. She knows this stuff more than I.
I couldn't even think of what any of that stuff is called.
I mean, she spoke at like eBay Open, and that she's spoke at Posh Fest, right?
I feel like I know on the virtual one. Yeah, they were
like last year, maybe. Yeah.
Virtual versus in person. So.
And then last thing, guys, I've been doing a little bit of work and wanted to see what you guys thought. So we've been trying to get a little bit of branding figured out and kind of playing around. And I don't know our old, we've never really had any kind of branding, but our old banner is just something that I put up, just found some random font, put it up. But we're really trying to spend more time figuring out our channel branding and all that kind of stuff. So let me know what you guys think of this. It's just a font. I'll probably have pictures of Kathy around maybe for the banner. I don't know. What do you think about it?
Pictures of me.
Pictures of you.
No.
Pictures of me. What's that song?
I don't know. Like I don't want pictures.
No,
of
more
me.
like just like a professional.
Like a cartoony
no, maybe I don't know. We'll have to play around with it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think embodies Ginger Marvin, and how can we portray that on our YouTube banner? Banker boxes? I don't know if I want to go down that road, but. Anyway, let us know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm excited. It's kind of I've been able to spend a little more time on that kind of stuff over this past couple weeks I guess last week mostly when I was out dropping the kids off at camp stuff and then sitting in my car. I messed around with it a little bit, but all right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Please let us know down in the comments what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for all the support today. We do appreciate that, but we have to go. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.